Good morning, chickadoes and chickadees. Today is October 12th, and this is your lesson video. So when you come to our main page, I want you to take a look at it. What I did is I'm organizing all those folders, and just be a little just be conscientious about which folder you're clicking into. Since we're at the end of the first cycle, that being the week of August 12th to the 16th, that's why you see it lumped together with cycle 1, and then we have the start of cycle 2 over here. So that will be next week. With that being said, congratulations, you're almost a quarter of the way done of the year. So as we go into today's piece, I can publish it. And we look at Monday. Today is a day to actually sit down and write. So Friday, you are responsible for reading Patrick Henry's Give Me Liberty or Give Me Death piece. And looking at that speech that he gave at the Second Virginia Convention, I want you to feel or get an idea of what was his purpose, what was he trying to convince the other men to go and do, and then what rhetorical devices he was utilizing in order to achieve that purpose, to get that idea done or that decision made. So hopefully you're able to read and annotate, just kind of plan in your head what you wanted. So today is, in a sense, your first timed writing. Okay. In May, when we sit down for our AP exam, you're going to have to write 3 essays in 2 hours and 15 minutes. So the goal is to be able to have a flushed out essay of 2.5 pages or more done in 40 minutes or less. Okay, that is the goal. That is where we need to be in a couple of minutes. This is pretty much your first go around. The first essay that y'all did for a rhetorical analysis essay, we did it in chunks. We did it day by day. So this is your first time. This is you're learning. So don't feel like you have to sit for 30 to 40 minutes. That is the ideal. That is the goal. So if you need to take more, if you need to sit down for an hour, if you need to do a total of an hour and a half, because that just makes you feel comfortable to have a flushed out essay, then do that. Take breaks if you need to. But what I want you to do is on your own, in your Google Doc, type out your essay. Intro, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Knowing that the intro focuses on the historical context, the rhetorical situation, the exigence of the situation, and then the thesis that covers who's speaking, the genre, that being a speech, what their purpose is, and the 3 rhetorical devices that you are going to talk about in your essay. Then your 3 body paragraphs, which topics and its evidence analysis. Topic sentence is the rhetorical device you're going to talk about because you just said it in the introduction. The evidence is the quote from his speech. And then the analysis, that is that discussion, the say and the do. What is he saying in the text? What is he doing in the text? Why would he even bring this up? How is him referencing that, saying that, bringing that up, help him achieve his purpose that you identified in your introduction? And do that 3 times. 3 rhetorical devices. That conclusion is the Jerry Springer moment. Talk to me. Yes, this happened 1776, I believe, or so. Why does that matter to us today? What can we take away from it? So look back at our notes, look back at your assignments for those of you who got graded and you have your comments. Think about how this all plays out. So 30 to 40 minutes is the bare minimum of you sitting down and fleshing out this essay. For some of us, we've never done this before, so it's going to take us a little while longer. Some of y'all, it's been a while, it's been a minute. It's okay. Jump back in the saddle and keep on writing. So the most I want you to spend on this is an hour, no more than an hour and a half, and that's the breaks in between. But minimum, at least sit down for 30 minutes and write this essay. When you're done, submit it, and this assignment will be counted for next 6 weeks. All right, so I want to see how you do. I want to see in a given particular time frame what you do. And if you can please put how long, somewhere at the document, at the top or at the bottom in your Google Doc, how long it took you to do this essay. Okay, you don't have to count the breaks or tell me how many breaks, just in total, how much time did you devote to typing up this essay? With the attendance check, making it a little bit different, also to help us out in our writing, is sentence imitation. What I want you to do is write a sentence that are like this, model the sentence, mimic the sentence, in a sense, copy the sentence. So I'm going to be pulling sentences that I find from past readings, past assignments, past activities. I'll give you an imitation showing you what it looks like, what I came up with, or maybe a sample has come up with, or a previous student has come up with. And then you're going to create a sentence like that. We want these beautifully eloquent sentences, these sophisticated sentences, these sentences that are luxe and rich. So practice writing them. No answer is wrong, okay? But I do want you to try. I want you to try writing these luxe, rich sentences. All right, and that's what you do for attendance checks that look like this. All right, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day and make good choices. Bye, guys. Good luck on your timed rhetorical analysis essay.